What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make subscriber badges for your Twitch channel. So basically, when people subscribe, they're going to get these badges and unlock them, and it's a cool customization to put on your channel. So let's get into it. Alright, first you want to go to your Twitch, and then in the top right is your profile, click it, and then click Creator Dashboard. And after you click Creator Dashboard, come to where it says Monetization right here. It's going to be a drop down menu, then you want to click on Subscriptions. After you click Subscriptions, you're going to go to the third one down called Subscriber Badges. After you click that, you're going to see the current badges. Now it's going to show for you just a base one that has been made by Twitch. So you're going to have to make the rest of them, or if you want to, you can just make all of them, including the one that Twitch has already made for you. So, for example, we're going to go to 3 months, but you can do this on any because I already made 2. So, for you guys, it should be base. Just go on base. And then you're going to have to upload an image 18 by 18 pixels, 36 by 36, and 72 by 72. So to do this, if you want the simple way, which I'll do first, basically just go to Google, type any image you want that you want to be the badge. So I'm just going to go with blue coin because I already have coins for my thing. You're going to go to image, and then you're just going to save any picture that you want. Save image as into your downloads. Okay, and then after that, go to this website called imresizer.com. I'll link it in the description, and it's going to pop up this. So after you're here, you want to select image, and then you want to go into your downloads, and you want to drop that image in. So now we had to resize it, obviously, to be the correct size here. So 18 by 18. So basically, you're going to put in here input width and input height. You're going to put 18, and then you're going to put 18 here. And then you want to go to remove BG. This is important. Remove background. It'll take 5 seconds. And then make sure it's not transparent. This is an important part. If it's not transparent, it's not going to work. So then you just press that, continue to download. It's going to be blurry, but it's not going to be blurry when you put it into the Twitch thing. So don't worry about that. Just download it, then go to Twitch, upload image, upload the thing in your downloads, and it's going to pop up here pretty small. Now you're just going to repeat the process. 36 by 36. Remove VG, transparent, apply, continue to download image. And then you're going to put it in this slot, which says 36 by 36. And then it's going to pop up here. And then you want to do the same exact thing for the last one, 72 by 72. VG, transparent, apply, continue to download image. And then upload it in here, and that's all 3. Then you're going to press upload badge, and it's going to save right here, as you can see. And then that's pretty much it. Whenever someone subscribes to you, they will get this. They will get these 3 badges. And yeah, it's gonna be like, it's just like a cool customization for your channel. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you guys liked it, please consider subscribing and liking, and comment down below which tutorials you want next, and I'll see you guys in the next one.